How to share a TikTok to Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now for example, if you want to simply share a particular video over here, I'm going to select randomly and then simply tap on the share icon or the arrow mark at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, it will pop up with various options at the bottom of the screen. Simply, you can scroll or just swipe the options, and here you can simply select on the options of Facebook, but let's see. So you can simply tap on Facebook over here, and as you tap on Facebook, what it does, it will take us to the page of Facebook over here. So make sure you're logged into your account as well. Now what it does is generally it shows directly into the post over here. It doesn't go through story. So what you can simply do is you can just go back and share it via Instagram story. So you can just tap on it on the share icon and you can simply tap on the Instagram stories option. So let's do that over here. You can simply select on the Instagram stories option that's available over here, and then you can be sharing the Instagram story to Facebook story, and that's the possible way over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.